Most reward apps don't guarantee a fixed monthly income like $100. Earnings depend on how many tasks you complete, what offers are available, and how fast you reach withdrawal limits. By the end of this, you'll know 5 types of reward apps people use for extra side income, how the earning systems actually work, and what usually determines whether users ever reach a consistent payout level. Start with the reality behind the extra $100 a month idea. No app pays a fixed salary. The closest outcome comes from combining multiple reward systems and staying consistent with daily tasks. So income is built, not guaranteed. First category is survey reward apps. These apps pay small amounts per survey, and earnings accumulate over time until you reach a cash-out threshold. Second category is offer wall apps. These platforms pay more per action, like installing apps or completing trial offers, which can speed up total earnings compared to basic tasks. Third category is cashback shopping apps. These apps return a percentage of your spending on online purchases, which means earnings depend heavily on how often you shop. Fourth category is microtask apps. These apps pay for simple online work like testing features or completing small digital tasks, and total earnings scale with time invested. Fifth category is game reward apps. These apps let you earn by playing mobile games, but payouts depend on reaching milestones or completing in-game objectives. Now here's what actually decides whether users actually reach something close to extra monthly income. Task volume is the biggest factor. Without consistent tasks, earnings stay low no matter how many apps you use. Offer availability also matters. Some high-paying tasks only appear occasionally or in certain regions. And withdrawal thresholds control timing. Even if you earn steadily, you may need to hit a minimum balance before cashing out. So the idea of making an extra $100 a month comes from stacking multiple apps, not relying on one system. Summary: reward apps that can contribute to extra monthly income rely on surveys, offers, cashback, micro-tasks, and games. Real earnings depend on task volume, availability, and withdrawal rules. Consistency matters more than the platform itself. Next step: choose 2 reward apps from different categories and track how much you earn in a single week before expecting any monthly total. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of apps that actually pay without hype or unrealistic earning claims.